Okay.
Open up.
Miss Karleigh's getting the hang of eating her rice cereal. She's swallowing it. She's flopping everywhere.
Hey, you want some more nummies?
Daddy's feeling good about it. Yay.
Here you go. Here you go. Open it. Open it.
Good job. Oh, yes. Lean back and swallow that big mouthful.
You want some more? Hey, come here. Karleigh.
Keep going.
Here you go. Open up.
We started feeding her yesterday, and she's already an all-star at it.
Karleigh.
She must be my child.
Oh, she's sweet.
Yeah, it's almost nap time. Little fussy, it's okay.
Dad's not feeding you fast enough, is he? Karleigh, open up. Karleigh, look right here. Over here.
Okay, we're going to say bye-bye now.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Karleigh. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about.